Hi, congratulations for your wedding. You tried to make a payment for Weddy service and somehow it's not successful. If you're facing difficulties using inbuilt payment method, you scan this QR code to make a payment. Use the UPI ID Weddy at axisbank, or use the UPI number, our support number. This is our support number. Make the payment using your UPI apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay, and send the screenshot in WhatsApp to this number. We will activate your service. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to make the payment. Go to the weddy.io and select the desired plan that you would like, and click on Get Weddy Now. Give your contact number here. It's your WhatsApp number. 999-433-7705 is the Weddy support number. I give that and I click on Make Payment Now. It takes you to the Paytm payment gateway. Okay, in this Paytm payment gateway, if you scroll down, there is an option called, if you have a Paytm account, you just it will be already logged in and you can make payment instantly. If you don't have a Paytm account, click on UPI and click select UPI apps. Okay, it will list the list of UPI apps installed on your phone. I have Paytm, Google Pay and Phone Pay. I click on Phone Pay and it asks me to open Phone Pay app. Phone Pay gets opened and now I can make payment. Click on Send. It will ask for UPI PIN. Give your UPI PIN. I gave my UPI PIN and the payment is successful. Now if you go to the Weddy, and see your payment is successful. That's how simple it is. Now you give your first name and your spouse first name and click on Get Secret Link, and you will get the secret link in WhatsApp. So that's how simple it is to make the payment. Thank you so much. I am Jagan Krishnaraj, founder of Weddy.